Holy crap, guys, we did it. 5,000 subscribers. I didn't think, okay, alright, thank you. This is crazy. I don't know what to say, but thank you. I started making animation videos June 2019, so about 10 months ago as of making of this video. And my goal, which I thought was far-fetched, was to reach 2,000 subscribers by the beginning of 2020. Well, I reached my goal, and in fact I doubled it by the end of the year. Then I set my goal for 2020 to be 5,000 subscribers, and well, 5 months in, we reached that too. I'm honestly blown away by the amount of support and positive feedback I'm receiving from you guys. And so first of all, thank you. And to celebrate that with you, the next 50 people that use the code 5K, I don't know if I'll have it here or here, that use the code 5K on Gumroad can get all my premium lessons for free. This is just my way of saying thank you. So on the side, there's a secret project I've actually been working on, and this is something that's going to be in the works for about a year. So I won't be sharing too much information, and I want to make sure I'm putting my all into it. And I've also brought in a few other people in the industry to help me out with this project. What I will say is that it's going to be the course of all courses for 3D animation. I wish I could share more, but at this point it's too early into this project. And so throughout the year, I'll probably be dropping a little bit more hints on exactly what this includes. So right now, it's just an idea, and I'm taking some first steps. So stay tuned and I'll update you guys as we make progress. It's gonna be amazing. Alright, I think I'll wrap this video up here. If you haven't yet, go get your free stuff on Gumroad with the code 5K. You can get everything for free. Just tap in the coupon code 5K, and you're set. And with all of that out of the way, happy animating, and I will see you guys in the... Enough? With all that out of the way, happy animating, and may the 4th be with you.